Hello! Today we are going to be unboxing a mystery seed package from Mary's Heirloom Seeds. It's October and it is absolutely one of the best times to start bulking up your seed collection because a lot of the major seed companies start clearancing out their 2022 seeds towards the end of the year. And a lot of them will do what's called a grab bag. They'll throw all sorts of seeds, whatever they have left over, and they'll sell them at a discounted rate. They do this because they don't want to sell a year-old seeds. However, seeds are good for years and years if stored in a cool, dry place. So for us, it leads to great deals. We're going to unbox this and see what all is in this seed pack from Mary's Heirloom Seeds. I have some other mystery seed packs coming and we will unbox those and we can compare and contrast and see which company has the best deal. This seed pack from Mary's was $20, which included shipping and everything, and she said it was going to contain 15 to 17 seed packets. So let's see what's in here. A beautiful sticker and some free black oil sunflower seeds, which is fantastic. And she has a really nice seed starting guide here that walks you through how to start, what temperature to start, and things like that. I do really like Mary's Heirloom Seeds. She's a fantastic small company and her seeds always have a really great germination rate. All right, let's see what's in our mystery grab bag. First, we have Ping Tung Long eggplant. This eggplant originated in Taiwan. The fruit is long and purple. It gets up to 18 inches long, 2 inches in diameter. It's supposed to be sweet and tender and really delicious. I grew eggplant in my garden for the first time this year, and it actually did pretty well here in the Oklahoma sun. All right, next we have Rock's Orange Sugarcane Sorghum. So the Rock's Orange Sugarcane Sorghum can be used for livestock grain, or it can actually be used to make a syrup. This is interesting. I've never grown sorghum. I'll have to try that next year. Danish ballhead cabbage. There is still time to get cabbage in the ground here, so I might try some of this year. This is a medium-sized cabbage, but it's supposed to be a really good storage cabbage and make excellent sauerkraut. Spicy globe basil. Well, you can never have too much basil. Spicy globe is a little small, round, container-style basil. So this would be great for my little green herb box I have out there. We have oak leaf lettuce, which can be picked as a baby lettuce. It's a green, but it also turns deep purple as it ages. This might be delicious for my green stalk. Perkins long pod okra. This is just the classic long pod okra, and okra does amazing here in Oklahoma. This is going to definitely be used. White Dutch clover. This is just your classic clover plant with the white head, and this is an excellent cover crop. If you have a bare garden during the winter, clover is a great option to plant so that the ground doesn't become dry and hard or your soil erode away. Giant Prague celeriac. Now this is one I have not heard of. This is actually a root celery. I did not know such a thing existed. This will be a fun thing to try next year. A root celery. Sugar pie pumpkin. This is just your classic pie pumpkin. And we actually grew several pumpkins, but our pie pumpkins didn't actually make, so this will be nice to have next year. Pasilla bajo pepper. This one is a Mexican chili pepper, and you can dry it and make some excellent flavored flakes. Japanese red mustard, another green that I can grow in my green stalk. This will be delicious, and I can go ahead and plant this in the fall. Rondenise squash, and these are some little round squashes, almost like the grenade squash, except they're a little light green. I had really good luck with the grenade squash this year in my green stock, so I definitely will try these in my green stock next year. A red sunflower. These are another beautiful sunflower variety. And those of you who have been watching us know that I have a little flower farmer that will absolutely love these. Lady Slipper radish. This is just your classic like pinkish red radish. And it's not a very strong flavor. It's a mild flavor with not a whole lot of spice. But these will be also good to plant this fall. Oh, this one is cool. Georgia rattlesnake watermelon. This is one of those hugely long watermelons. They can get like 35 pounds. This will be fun to grow next year and see if the girls can get some large enough watermelons to enter in that state fair competition. I don't think we'll get them as big as Grow Jack, but it'll still be fun. Chantenay red core carrot. I know a lot of people use this for juicing. This will be fun to try. I've not actually tried juicing carrots, so maybe we'll grow some of these in the spring and give that a try. And just the classic jade bush beans. These are an excellent all-around green bean. They're delicious and they grow really well here, so I'm excited to have some of these. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 counting that free sunflower. So basically these are $1.11 per package. You cannot beat that for really high quality heirloom seeds. I was also really pleased with the variety. I didn't get any duplicates. And also I got a really great variety of some spring veggies and some fall veggies, some summer veggies, all different sorts of things, and some flowers even. So I highly recommend this. This was a great grab bag, fantastic. So thankful to Mary for all the work that she puts in her heirloom seed company, but I can't wait to get growing. I definitely have another grab bag coming from True Leaf Market, which we will unbox. It was a little more costly than this one, so we'll see, we'll compare the two and see which one was more cost effective based on the number of seeds and the quality of seeds. Also, usually M.I. Gardener comes out with one in the fall in October. I know he had a baby and so his schedule is a little off, so he may or may not do that this year, but if he does, I will order one and we will unbox it on here. But like I said, I would definitely recommend Mary's grab bag for sure. I will put a link to her website down in the description box below. And if you're excited to see the other grab bag unboxings that are in the coming weeks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified when our next videos come out.